Daniel Crimmins set himself apart for the judging panel through his very high level of technical knowledge, his passion for the industry, and his willingness to see projects through from start to finish. Gaining a deep understanding for the role that plumbers and drainers play in protecting the health and safety of our community, Daniel is ready to explore how sustainable materials will impact the future of his trade. Daniel is an asset to his employer and the plumbing and gas industry, and has a long and prosperous career ahead. Congratulations on this impressive achievement, Daniel.